Going on, everyone? So in this video, this is the only technical analysis video that you'll ever watch to be able to help you understand binary options and trade binary options like a professional, right? So I'm just going to be dive into my laptop, and I'm going to be sharing with you each and every step that you're supposed to take, the platform that you're going to use, how you're able to analyze the charts, right? So that you can be able to get sniper entry points that you can use to be able to take the trades in different brokers that you'll have. Always remember to hit that subscription button as you're watching this video on my YouTube, and always remember to follow, like, drop a comment if you like this video. I'm going to try my best the short time period that I have to help you get from a beginner to actually a professional and advanced person. And if you understand how to do technical analysis, and if you've traded binary options before, I'm also going to be sharing with you deep techniques that I use to really get sniper entries. This is for the advanced people. And let's dive into the laptop. So the first thing that you're supposed to have, as you can see here, is you want to have trading view, okay? And this is my trading view, and you can see my chart is a little bit dirty. And don't get scared, don't get worried, because I am going to be sharing with you each and everything that you need. So how do you get access to TradingView? So what you're supposed to do is, it's very easy. It's free for everyone. TradingView is actually free for everyone. So what you want to do is, you just want to come here on Google, okay? Google, and just type TradingView, okay? When you type TradingView, click on it, install it. You can log in with your Google account. It's much simpler, much easier when you're using your Google account. So and you will have something that looks like this. So your chart will not look like this. So if you want the dark version, what you can do is just come here on where it's written, and here it's your profile. Click on it, and you can see here there's dark mode and white mode. A lot of people always ask me, how can I be able to get the dark mode? So you just activate it, dark mode, and this is how it will look like. Okay, so the second thing I want you to do now is to add the currencies that you're trading, the watch list currencies that you're trading. In this video, I'm going to share with you actually the currencies that I'm trading. So what you want to do is, I'm going to read all these currencies, and you can actually pause the video and listen to the currencies that I usually trade. And then I'm going to be sharing with, the next step will be taking a look at the time frames, how we use the time frames on technical analysis. And then we are going to take a look at different charts, okay? As you can see also here at the background, we're going to take a look at different charts. We're also going to take a look at support and resistance levels. We're going to take a look at where exactly do you want to get into a trade, which I call the break and retest strategy. So let's dive into it. First, you here on your watch list, if this is your first time to download TradingView, just come here and remove all the currencies that are here on TradingView. And these are some of the currencies that I usually trade, and these are like some of the currencies that you can actually have on your TradingView. So the first currency will be Euro GBP. Just write Euro GBP. The second one will be CAD JPY. Okay, and how do you add these currencies? By the way, when I say Euro GBP, click the plus add symbol. After you've clicked the plus add symbol, what you want to come is type here Euro GBP. All right, and then the currency that you want to select is Rwanda. Right, I've really been able to see Rwanda really working so well. So click Rwanda, and here, right here, mine is X. Let me remove it. So Euro GBP, just click plus. When you click plus, it will update here on your watch list. So you want to have these currencies. These are the currencies that you'll be watching. These are currencies that you'll actually be taking trades. So CAD JPY, we have USD, CHF, we have CHF, JPY, and you can see all these currencies. My charts are actually dirty, so I do a lot of analysis. You can use Euro Audi. Okay, you can check Audi card. The next one is Audi CHF. Okay, the other one is Audi USD. The other one is USD CHF. The other one is Audi JPY. GBP, JPY. So as I'm reading this, just make sure you're setting this up on your trading view. And then Euro, CHF, and then USD CAD. And then we have CAD, CHF. Then you have USD, JPY. Just make sure you're adding them on your trading view. And then you have GBP CAD. And then you have Euro USD. You have GBP USD. And then you have Euro GBP. So when you have these currencies set, now you are ready to start analyzing the currencies. So the first thing that we are going to take a look at, we are going to take a look at the time frames that you're going to be using. We're actually going to be using 3 time frames. This is the 15 minutes time frame, the 5 minutes time frame, and the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so how do you take a look at the time frames? What you want to do is you come here on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, right now it's 15 minutes. Just click on it. When you click on it, we'll have different time frames here. So the time frame that we'll be using is 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and the 1 minute time frame. And right now I'm actually going to take a look, go just straight into the analytics parts and show you how to analyze binary options, because you want to notice that this is kind of a little bit from Forex, because we are actually taking we are taking 5 minutes trades mostly. It's like 3 minutes to 5 minutes trades. These are the trades that you're taking. So you want to really be able to predict when a candle is forming after 3 minutes. If you're buying, it has formed above your entry point. All right. After 5 minutes, if you're selling, it has formed below your selling point. So you want to be really, really thorough in analyzing everything, and I'm going to be sharing with you here. So let's first take a look at the charts. Okay, if you're a beginner, this is for you. Just pay attention to this. We usually have 3 types of charts. The first chart look like this. Okay, first chart looks like this. Actually, this one I've drawn this badly. Really doesn't look good. Let me remove it. Let's draw another one. So the first chart looks like this. Okay, looks like this. This is the first chart. All right. The second chart looks like this. It's on the opposite of that one. Looks like this. Looks like that. Looks like that. That is the second chart. And then the third chart looks like this. So this is chart number 1, chart number 2, chart number 3. So on chart number 1, this is known as an uptrend. Okay, price is actually moving up. Chart number 2, this is known as a downtrend, right? And then chart number 3, this is known as a consolidation. Price does not show any direction. It does not show if it's moving up. It does not show if it's moving down. So which charts? We only trade 2 charts. The first chart we trade is the uptrend, right? Forming lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. And then the second chart that we trade is a downtrend, forming lower lows, lower lows, and lower lows. Don't worry, I'm going to be explaining in details on everything. So, okay, so on the downtrend and uptrend, when we talk about the uptrend and downtrend, what are we talking about? So on an uptrend, we are having more buyers in the marketplace. On an uptrend, price is moving up, 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 up. So what's happening is we are having more buyers in the marketplace. And then on a downtrend, as you can see, price is moving down, 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 down. This is making lower lows and lower lows and lower lows. And this means that we are having more sellers into the marketplace, right? So on a consolidation, price is going up. You're having buyers coming in, sellers coming, buyers coming in, sellers coming, buyers coming in, sellers coming. So the price is really not showing us like the direction that is taking. So we never want to trade on a consolidation period, which you can time frame, which you can see here. So the first thing is to identify the trends, right? And I'm going to be getting into the charts right now. Let's see if we are able to identify our trend lines, okay? So for example, if you take a look at the 15 minutes chart, if you take a look from this zone here to this zone here, this is a, what is this? Definitely this is a downtrend. Price is moving down. So when price is moving down, what you want to do is you want to focus on selling. Selling, selling, selling. Technical analysis, guys, is very, very easy. Just pay attention to everything I'm sharing with you. It will be very, very simple. After this call, you'll get out understanding how to do your own technical analysis, and you can practice and you can go and start trading and making profits, okay? So this is a downtrend, all right? Let's take a look at an uptrend. Let's look for an uptrend, okay? An uptrend, how does an uptrend, let's take a look at an uptrend. You have an uptrend here from this zone here to this, from this zone here to, from this zone to actually this zone here, not actually there, above here, here. This is an uptrend. Price is moving high, 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 high. So this means that we have buyers coming into the marketplace. And what we'll be looking at is, we'll be looking at entry points whereby we can be able to buy, okay? So after you've identified the trend, before you get into a trade, the first thing that you want to do is you want to look at what trend is that market in. Is the market on an uptrend or the market is on a downtrend? So if you've identified the trend, now you make the decision and say, are you buying or are you selling? If the market is on an uptrend, definitely you'll be buying more. If the market is on a downtrend, what will you be doing? Definitely you will be selling more. Let's take a look at an example of a consolidation. And here we have one. So this is a console. This actually looks like a small consolidation here. You can see price that's not like really decided what it's doing. We have ups, we have lows, we have ups, we have down. So that's a consolidation one. Let's also take a look at another consolidation that is kind of clear. Consolidation, here we go. Here we have our consolidation zone from this part to this part. These are consolidation zones. So an area like this, you don't want to trade because you don't understand where price is moving. You're waiting for the price to show you the price action, show you if it's going up or it's going down, so that you can be able to start looking at these entry points. All right. So we have looked at price action. So what you want to take a look now is the support and resistance zones. So after price action is the support and resistance zones. And let's dive into it, okay? So how do you identify support and resistance zones? And what are support and resistance zones? Support and resistance zones, we'll have to take a look at them in this angle. So the first one will be, I'll draw for you two zones here so that you can be able to really understand. That is zone 1. And another one will be here, which will be the second zone, okay? So I'll label this zone here as support, okay? Support. And then up here, I'll label this zone as resistance. Don't worry about the handwriting. This will be resistance, okay? So let's draw our charts. Let's start with an uptrend, okay? This is an uptrend, up, 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 price gets here. So let me first explain this, okay? So this is an uptrend. Price is moving up, as you can see. So when price is moving up, we have to have zones that will make the price react, okay? The first zone is the support zone. What is the support zone? The support zone is whereby we have more buyers coming in to the marketplace. It's the same concept of supply and demand, okay? But I like using support and resistance to be able to support. Like when you mention support, like support, I want you to understand support, supporting. Resistance, it's blocking, okay? It's blocking. Support, supporting. Resistance, it's blocking. Be able to help you just understand. So on the support level, this is where we have buyers coming into the marketplace, okay? We have buyers. So when we get into this level, the resistance level, it starts being blocked, and we start having what we call sellers coming into the marketplace, okay? And remember, this forms when you have buyers, it forms an uptrend. And when it forms an uptrend and then you have more sellers, it starts forming a downtrend. So it also forms what we call a trend reversal. I'll be able to explain more on that. So I have this coming this way. These are sellers, and then it comes to the support level. So on this support level, when it touches, price will have to react, whereby we'll have buyers coming in based on the support level. Buyers coming in, okay? So that is how support and resistance are drawn, and that is how you're able to identify support and resistance zones. So let me draw this level here that hit the resistance, and then here it hit the support, price came up. Can you be able to take a look at this in the graphs so that you can really be able to see them very well? Yes, let's draw some. Let's draw. Remember, we are using the 15 minutes charts. So you always want to identify your zones first on the 15 minutes charts, because it is very clear. So where can you see a support level here? Okay, I can clearly see a support level that has been formed here. Okay, forming what we actually call double bottoms. These are several support level that has been formed. Okay, let's first draw support levels. Another support level, you can see these support levels here. All right, the support levels here. And then let's take a look at another support level. You can see other support level here. This is a support level. Yeah, okay. Let's draw another support level. You can really be able to understand. We are having another support level here. Let's take a look of another support level. We have another support level here, right? So those are support levels, okay? Those are support levels that we have actually drawn. So let's take a look at resistance levels. We're having a resistance level here, which is a very big resistance level, okay? Price has been really confirmed several times here. This is a resistance level. Let's take a look at another resistance level. This is a resistance level. Let's take a look at a resistance level. This also is a resistance level. Let's take a look at a resistance level. This is a resistance level. A very big resistance level here. Okay, so as I'm recording this video, I really want us actually to even take a live trade with these levels that I'm showing you, but unfortunately it's on a weekend, so I'll not be able to take a live trade. But I always give live trading sessions whereby you can just join my Telegram group. The link is below there. Just click join my Telegram group, and I'll be sending a link there whereby using these support levels, I'll be going live and I'll be trading live with you guys. So after you've identified your support and resistance level, I just want you to see what happens, all right, on these levels. When price gets on these levels, what happens? So if you can see, price got into this level here at this point, and we had an immediate reaction. Price came down, all right? The second part is price came also on this level, and guess what? Resistance level, price came down. We get into here also, price touched this level again, and it went down all the way. Okay, price came onto this level again, and guess what? It went down. That's our resistance level. Price came into this level again, and guess what? It went down. Price came into this level again, guess what? Went down, went down, went down. Here also went down completely. Here also went down completely. That's the resistance level. Let's take a look at the support level. Price came at this level and it went up. Price came at this level again, it went up. Price came at our support level again, it went up. Price touched our support level here, it went up. So that is how you're able to identify the support and resistance levels. It touched the level here, it went up. It's a very, very major levels that we will actually be using. It touched the price, it touched it touched the support level there, went up. Here, it touched the support here also, went up. Touched our support level here, went up. And you can see this has been confirmed over and over and over and over multiple times, okay, when we drew our support and resistance levels. So actually you can take your trades using the support and resistance level, okay. I've already explained to you the price action. I've already explained to you the support and resistance level. So the third step is combining the two, okay, combining the support, resistance level, and combining price action. And let's take a look at the chart, right, and analyzing the chart. So when you come to this 15 minutes, when you come to this 15 minutes time frame, what you first want to identify is, let me remove all these drawings, move drawings. What you want to first remove is, to identify is, you want to identify what we call the trends. From where the price is to some steps back, what is the trend? Are we in an uptrend, or are we in a downtrend, or we are in a consolidation? So that is the first thing I do. So when you take a look at this, I kind of feel like this is forming lower lows. I kind of feel like here we are in a downtrend, right? We are in a downtrend, okay? From here, we can see here also we were in a downtrend, but this downtrend was actually broken at this point. So we're having a trade reversal. So this is the first thing that I identify on a chart. And if I find, like, for example, here, I kind of feel like price came up, okay, now it's going down. I kind of feel like right now we are in a downtrend, okay? So what we are doing is, now on these levels, is we are actually identifying selling levels, because you've already identified the trend. The trend is down, okay? So we are looking at resistance levels that will give us selling entry points. Okay, so where do we draw our resistance level? So we'll first draw our first resistance level, that was here, that has been confirmed several times. So I'll just explain to you a concept here. So previously, this was our resistance level. You can see price came here. Don't want to confuse you guys. Price came here, it went down, okay? So what happened is, this resistance level was broken. This was a downtrend, okay? So we're expecting when price got here, could actually continue going down. But what happened is, we found a breakout. And after we have a breakout, it means that we have what we call a trend reversal. So it moves from a downtrend, and now price is going up. Okay, hope you've really understood there. So our previous resistance level changes and becomes a support level on this zone. So when price is broken, let me remove this. When price is broken, a major level, okay, so we find that price has broken our previous resistance level. It has been broken. Now, what you'll be looking at is you'll be looking at short trades that you can be able to get. Remember, this is binary options. So you're just trading 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. So you're looking at levels that you can actually sniper enter and buy. All right. So this is our level here because remember, now our previous resistance has changed and it has become the new support. I want you to really understand that the previous resistance has actually changed and that it has become the new support. So you want to look at areas whereby you can sell. So we are predicting when price touches here, the first time it will actually go up. Let's remove the replay. And you can see exactly what happened. Price touched at this level and immediately went up. Okay, so now we have identified from where our price stopped. Right now I'm on the weekend, so the price is not moving. So we have identified from where the price stopped and went back. We are in a downtrend. Reason why, I'll repeat. Price came, okay, price came and broke our major support level. It gotten broken. And when it got broken, we are actually now looking at, this one now as a resistance level. And we're looking to sell. All right. So here we'll be looking at selling entries. And now this one will be our new resistance level. It has been broken from our support level. It's our new resistance level. Let me remove the play and let's see how price acts. So this now is our new resistance levels, and you can see what you want to always make sure is when you look from where the price is, look on the left. When you look on the left, you are looking at as it be confirmed previously. Okay, we have had a break, so we are waiting to see as this level been confirmed previously, and you can see it has been confirmed 1, it's been confirmed 2, it's been confirmed 3, it has been confirmed 4, 5 times. So what do you think will happen when price gets into this level? Definitely, we are going to take a sell. All right, so that is the concept of support and resistance, and that is how it really plays. So let's take a look at the strategy that we use. When we take a look at the support and resistance, what are we using? What are we backing up our entry points so that we can be able to really sniper enter these zones using support, using price action, support, and resistance. So the third thing you want to take a look is what we call a break and retest. Break and retest on major levels. Okay, I'll draw this is remember, this is the resistance level. These are the things that play the big part when it comes to trading. So we're having prices come up, low, up, low, up, low, up, low. And then instead of hitting this level, what we're expecting, because this is our resistance level, we're expecting price to do this, right? To go down. But what happens is when price gets into this level, it does not go down, all right? It continues moving up and breaks our resistance level. When it breaks the resistance level, what happens is the resistance level becomes the new support level. And what you're waiting for is after price has broken this level, okay, after prices come this way, 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 broke the resistance level, price will not continue going up on a straight line. What will happen is it will go up a little bit, all right? And then we will wait for price to come up again on this zone. This is what is called break retest. So as soon as price comes on this zone here, we are waiting now to enter a buy. All right, we are waiting to enter a buy. This is the only binary option technical analysis video that you'll ever learn. made it very, very simple. And this is the only strategy that I want you to continue using over and over and over again until you understand these zones. So let's take a look at the charts and let's identify break and retest levels, okay? Very quickly, let me remove all the drawings. Let's get into our charts. Where can you see already I've identified a break level whereby price has broken our major resistance level. And you can see this is one that shows that is very, 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 very clear. Shows very, very, very clear. Price has broken this level. Okay. Price has broken which other level? It has also broken our level here also. This level also has been broken. Okay. So let's take a look at what happens. Immediately price breaks this level. Let me just remove this, right? When price breaks this level, what are we waiting to do? Remember the break and retest strategy. We're waiting for it to come down back again and retest our zone for it to continue moving up. So what we do, we are waiting for price to get on our level here, and then we'll be able to take a buy. All right, so break and retest strategy. Let's see exactly when price gets into our level here. When price gets into our level here, into our zone, okay, the zone, remember this zone, immediately price got into this zone, it actually went up. So we'll actually be waiting for it to retest again. And you can see here, instead of retesting our zone, it actually formed a trend reversal. It's actually the good thing about this, actually it's showing us the two angles of the uptrend and the downtrend. So instead of price getting into this level, what we're expecting is when price was coming, okay, when price was coming this way here, we're expecting when price touches our level here again, because it had touched it previously here, which it has broken, retest, went up. So we expect when price touched our level here, we're expecting it to actually do what? Go up. Okay, but what does price do? Price breaks this level and it forms now, we get out from an uptrend and now we get into a downtrend. Okay, so if it forms a downtrend now, we are in a downtrend. So what we are waiting for is, we'll be waiting for the break of our major level that has been broken. We'll be waiting for a retest. Okay, we will be waiting for a retest. Price has broken this level. So after I've broken this level, now this one, it has broken our, previously it was support, all right, on an uptrend. Now the support level has been broken. Now it will act as a resistance level. And the moment price touches here, the moment price touches our level here, we're expecting the price to go down. That is the break and retest strategy. And let's see what prices does. Exactly, it does exactly what you have said, all right? It breaks this level, comes here, retests it, goes down. Comes up again here, retest the level, go down. Come up here again, right? Here, retest the level, go down. Come here again, retest the level, come down. Come here again, retest the level, come down. So that is the break and retest strategy using major support and resistance level. So as I just do a quick recap on this video, what do you really want to take a look at? You want to take a look at major levels, major support and resistance levels, okay? And then you want to take a look at the price action. Is price moving up or price moving down? And then the other thing you want to take a look at is the break and retest levels. As price broken a major level, if it has broken a major support level, you're expecting the price to continue moving down. Is if it has broken a major resistance level, remember resistance, broken the resistance level, what you're waiting for is a retest and then price continue moving up. This is called the break and retest strategy. It is the strategy that I use 100% to really be able to analyze the market, to be able to really get sniper entries, to be able to stay profitable. Always remember to click, all right, always remember to click the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, because after this now, I'll also be getting you into looking exactly, zooming in into the 15 minutes time frame, zooming into the 5 minutes time frame, and zooming in into the 1 minute time frame to be able to really identify the exact sniper entries that you see in the 5 minutes time frame. Some candles have start forming. You start understanding that, hey, because for example here, you know, if you just like took this trade blindly, like came here on the 15 minutes chart and just you waited for this to touch here, and then you entered and say buy because it has touched the level, and you haven't zoomed in into the 5 minutes time frame, into the 1 minute time frame to be able to see what are those candles they are telling you. Will it break this level or it will retest this level? If you don't understand those strategies and ideas, you'll actually lose even if you do use the break and retest level. So I'll be able to do another video that I'm explaining to you the candles and the candlesticks so that you can be able to zoom in and really understand how can I really be able to get my sniper entry, so that when I predict price will move up, because you can see this is a 15 minutes time frame. If I'm able to predict time will move up in the next 5 minutes, it will get from my entry point, and in the next 5 minutes, price is already moving up. That needs a lot of keenness, and I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple strategy that has really helped me. Always remember to click the link below. All right, I've dropped some free resources there, and also there's a link that gets you into my Binary Options Pro Telegram group. Okay, so the reason why you should get into the Binary Options Pro Telegram group is I usually drop links whereby I go live. Right, we go into a live one-on-one session with you guys, and you see me applying the strategies that I'm sharing with you on my live account. Right, we trade with you on a one-on-one basis on my live account, and that really starts making you see all the sense, see all the things that I'm doing and connecting the dots. Happy trader, always wishing you to become a Binary Options Pro trader. Trade like a pro, always understand technical analysis, keep on practicing. For me, when I started this, I was working, I had my agency, I had a lot of things going on. So what I was doing is during lunch hour, I'll just open my trading view and underline and take a look at the support and resistance level. All right, in the evening I'll come again from work and understand the price action. The other time I'll come and study the candlesticks until I was really able to really understand all these concepts. Also share this video, come back here, repeat again, use those currencies I've shared with you, analyze, draw those lines until you become a professional pro trader, whereby you're really understanding exactly what you do. Always remember to hit that subscription button, and always remember to hit the notification button, so that when I update a technical analysis video, you're really able to understand. Have a good time. I'll see you on the next video. Kudos.